Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. First we use the color of blue. Now we draw the alphabet of A. And the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, now we draw C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Now we draw E. And we again use blue color. E for egg. Kids, now we draw numbers. Green color. First we draw the number of 1. The next one is 2. And now we draw the number of 3. Kids, the next one is 4. Now we draw 5. The next one is 2D shapes. First we draw triangle. Black color. The shape of triangle. And the next one is circle. Now we use blue color. Kids, the next one is heart. The shape of heart. Now we use the color of red. The shape of heart. And the next one is star. We again use red color. Now we use yellow color. the color of yellow. And the last one is square. Kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel.